welcome back. So we did have a lot of sunshine as we made our way through the day today. Temperatures are gradually warming up, still below average, should be into the lower 40s this time of year, but we are getting a little closer. We'll spend the next couple of days we'll spend tomorrow into the lower 30s, maybe even be closer to 40 as we approach the weekend. Here's the tower cam showing all the sunshine with clear skies into the evening. Here's a look at the temperatures for highs today into the lower 30s for highs out toward North Platte, Broken Bow, Lexington, and at Thedford. The cool spot with a high of 24 was Ogallala at 28 up toward Valentine. There's your temperatures right now. So from North Platte to Lexington, we fall into near 10 degrees, and Ogallala is in the lower teens, but most everybody else, including Broken Bow, Imperial, out toward Thedford, into the upper teens right now. There's your winds, mainly from a westerly direction. Wind speeds are once again getting lighter, especially after the north and east of North Platte, with the wind speeds between 5 and 10 miles per hour in most places, still causing a little bit of a wind chill along the I-80 corridor within a couple of degrees of zero. So prepare for that as you make your way outside. It feels a little warmer into the 5 to 10 degree range as you make your way into the Sandhills and south of I-80. Now, here's a look at the Doppler radar once again. We do have clear skies across the region with no clouds anywhere across the viewing area. A couple of high-pressure systems were in charge of our forecast. This one that gave us the really cool air is working its way into the Midwest and Northeast, but we have another one right behind it. The dual highs usually mean a warm-up with a lot of sunshine, so this one, more of a Pacific high-pressure system, giving us that southerly and westerly wind, a dry and mild flow that will continue to warm us up and keep us dry as we finish out the work week and then go through the weekend. So the main weather story across the country, we got this major ice storm, these lows riding the jet stream off to our south. So the cold air is getting down to Texas and out towards, say, the Carolinas and Virginia, and that's where we think most of the ice is going to be over the next couple of days. So there's that jet stream that ice storm is riding across, warmer air well off to our south and east. We had that core of cool air over us to begin the work week, but temperatures are starting to moderate, a little bit of a ridge in the jet stream, and that is going to be the story. Warmer air is eventually going to filter in as we continue to go through this work week. So we have temperatures pretty cold right now, near 10 degrees. Actually might rise a couple of degrees to the mid-teens to start off tomorrow. We'll start off with some sunshine. This model showing partly to mostly cloudy skies during the day tomorrow. We'll see if that actually does happen or if it's overdoing the clouds. But high temperatures once again into the lower 30s as we stay dry. And then starting off your Friday morning, temperatures near 20. So we're warming up for the overnight lows with highs getting near 40 for most of us, still with a good amount of sunshine as we start the weekend. So that very cold high pressure system is exiting. This is another one that's going to be warmer. It's going to be over us for a little while, all the way until around Sunday night before our next system gets here. So we're going to continue with that southerly or westerly flow, and this system not really going to do much. Not a lot of moisture with it. Really won't affect our temperatures, maybe cooling off into the upper 30s for Monday. Here's a look at the weather across the country right now. We got cool air over us, some snow along the Canadian border. The very cold air we're going to put back in Canada, but there's the ice storm stretching from Texas all the way to Virginia. Rain south of that, but cool across the west coast or dry across the west coast. And it's going to be dry here too for most of the week. So 33 tomorrow with partly to mostly cloudy skies, mostly sunny Friday and Saturday. Temperatures near 40, lower 40s Sunday and Monday. Could be a little breezy at times. We keep partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies over the weekend. Back to sunshine for Tuesday. There's your slight cool down at 39, but back into the lower 40s on Wednesday as we stay dry. Only a 10% chance of moisture and partly cloudy by this time next week. Kent?
Multiple 40s in there, so we're finally getting around to where we should be.
We're warming up, but no above average temperatures yet.
Okay. Thanks so much, Justin. Deadline to avoid disaster. The Colorado River is at risk of running dry, and 40 million Americans are in danger of losing their water supply. These 7 states that pull water from the river